channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. If you could please hit that subscribe button and that little bell notification button right next to it so you can be notified every time I upload a new video like today. Pay no attention to my stove back here. That is actually for another video that's gonna go up next week for this little new series kind of that, you know, it's just like Michelle tips, Michelle cleaning tips and stuff, because as you guys know, I am a mom and I am a full-time housewife. So I clean my house every day, and I do want to, you know, make your guys' life a little easier when it comes to cleaning stuff like that. For this video, we're actually going to be focusing on the sink. I know you guys don't see my sink that much here on YouTube, but over on Instagram, on my lives and stuff, I show you guys more of my like life, pretty much what's going on behind the scenes and stuff like that. So I have told you guys that my sink is actually a cast iron sink, so it's very, very delicate. Like, you have to clean it every night, otherwise it just looks super ugly. If you guys want to know how I clean my cast iron sink, then just please keep on watching. Okay guys, let's start off with this dirty sink. Yes, it's super dirty. Believe me, it has looked worse, but this is what I want to show you guys. This sink is so delicate, and the hard water here in my house is just, it makes it so horrible. I love my sink, but it's just so much work. I'm going to start off with this Mayer's multi-surface cleaner, and that's just to disinfect a little bit. And I'm going to let that sit while I make my little, you know, dish soap mixture. This thing I got at the dollar store. I'm just going to put a little bit of dish soap and some Clorox. Yes, I know, some Clorox. People are going to go crazy, but this is what I have been using for years. My mom has been using it, and it's just like, I love using it because it takes all that eggy smell off of things. And I was going to scrub this side of the sink, and that's only because I'm going to put the wash dishes, like the clean dishes, on this side before I rinse them. I honestly hate washing dishes. It's like my least favorite thing to do. I'm just going to go ahead and put everything away, dry them, and just put them in their rightful place. Fun fact, I actually put my plastic stuff and like my Tupperware and stuff like that in my dishwasher. I just use my dishwasher for like extra storage space. Now this side of the counter, I'm not really going to do much. This is where I put my picture, the one that you guys have always asked for over on Instagram. This is just where I put my picture and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the Mayer's multi-surface cleaner and just, you know, wipe it off with a damp rag and put that baby back in its rightful place. Now on the other side, since I do put my dishes here, I am going to disinfect that, but not before actually washing this drying rack. I'm going to use this Clorox and lemon. It doesn't smell anything like lemon. It smells like complete Clorox. Scrub that with some soap, rinse it off with some water, and let that, you know, dry off on its own. The counter, since I did tell you guys I do put, you know, dishes here, like clean dishes, I'm going to go ahead and spray the Clorox lemon and then scrub it with some soap and water, and then just dry it off like with a damp towel, and then dry it off with a clean dry towel. As I told you guys, I love my sink, but it's so delicate. I'm gonna go ahead and first start with this Clorox lemon, put it all over inside the drain as well. Let that sit with a little bit of soap, and I'm gonna scrub it. Scrub the sides, scrub the top, scrub the bottom, scrub everything, leave it super, super soapy, and then rinse it off with some hot water. I'm going to give it a semi-dry and then put some of this Mayer's cleaner. It has to be the lemon scent for me, for the kitchen. I just love lemon and kitchen together. So I'm going to let that sit for a little while. While I let that sit, I'm actually going to disinfect the garbage disposal. So I got these, I think, at Walmart. I don't know what they're called, but they are for the garbage disposal. So what you do, just turn on the water, hot water. It has to be super, super hot. Pencil width, turn on your garbage disposal, and then throw one of these babies in there. Just plop it in there, drop it in, and let it do its thing. Let it running. You have to leave your garbage disposal running for a while. And then just drain it out with some hot water. And I'm going to go ahead and take all the Mayer's product off and give it a nice dry. Now, this is what I need to do, because I'm telling you guys that this sink is super, super delicate. I'm going to take a rag or a paper towel, and I'm going to get some oil. Yes, guys, oil. I have noticed that olive oil does a way better job, but corn oil does. Because this is a cast iron sink, it needs to cure every night. So this thing, I'm telling you guys, I do this every night, and you guys could see it's all shiny now, but I'm gonna let it cure. Actually, I let it cure for a couple hours. I actually went to Target and got this little thing here from the dollar spot. It didn't have a price tag, so they gave it to me for $2.99, and I was like, okay, whatever. I don't know if it's $2.99 for real, but that's what I got it for. I'm gonna put my hand soap. I always have some hand soap because, as you guys know, I wash my dishes with Clorox and my hands really go crazy. And I also got this candle from Target. It smells so good, you guys. I'm telling you guys, I love lemon scent for the kitchen. This is lavender and lemon, and it smells super delicious. So I'm actually going to put that on little tablita as well. This is how it's looking. This is how the sink looks after a few hours. Yes, I did put some water on there, so it is kind of, you know, messed up there. But I did leave it for a few hours, and I'm telling you guys, I do this every night, overnight. I have been slacking actually, but now I gotta get back on my game because I love this sink. So that's how I clean my sink. And there you have it, you guys. What did you guys think about this video? Do you guys like this whole cleaning tips kind of videos and stuff? Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. That will help me out a whole bunch. Also, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok, and all that good stuff. I will leave all that down in the description box below. I will see you guys here on Friday for Food Fridays. This week we are making arroz con leche, so I will see you guys here on Friday, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thank you guys so much for being here today. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!